First up is this beautiful 4-strand braid, but don't be intimidated, I got you. Now whenever braiding, I like to add a little bit of oil to my hands. It just helps the hair glide nicely. To begin, toss all your hair back and divide it equally down the middle into 2 sections. Next, divide your right section in half, placing the front section out of the way, and then repeat on the left side so that you have 4 total sections. Then hold your left 2 pieces in your left hand, and we're going to take that far right piece and weave it through. So over the 3rd section, under the 2nd, and then over the 1st. So now it's on the far left side. And then repeat. So just hold your 2 left sections in your left hand and then weave your farthest right section over the 3rd, under your 2nd, and over the 1st. So now it's on the far left side. That's it. So then repeat as far down as you like. I did a total of 5 passes. Once you reach the bottom, secure and begin pancaking your braid. Start at the bottom and work your way up, being sure to pinch and pull each side of your braid until it's nice